Hello everyone, it's Courtney. I have sickness. Also, I have sunburn, which is why my foundation looks extra chunky and weird today. But we're gonna film my April Sephora play and my March and April Scentbird unboxings together today, just now. Also, I'm watching for the Jimmy John's guy because I just ordered a sandwich. So if I randomly get up, that's why. So let's actually do the Scentbirds first. Hold on. Alright, so if any of you guys have gotten Scentbird before, you kind of know what's up. So just in case anyone hasn't gotten Scentbird before, this is a monthly, or you can do like a bi-monthly, I'm pretty sure, subscription service for perfume, and you get a new perfume every month. So it comes in a little sprayer, and you can pop out the perfumes and trade them out. Swishes down, it comes in a cute little case, and it comes with like a little velvet carrier. So your first month you get a sprayer with a case, but you can also obviously take these out and just spray them, you know, willy-nilly. They are glass, so that is like my only thing. Just be careful. So for March, I got the Juicy Couture Vive la Juicy La Fleur, which is the rose patterns. So this one is honeysuckle, red berry, gardenia, caramel, and vanilla. And I really like this scent. It smells so good. So this I was super happy about because I really wanted to try this, but this is like really expensive to buy. And this was technically free because I used my friend Julie's code. So there we go. And you also do get to pick the scents you get, or you can leave it up to a surprise, I think, but I picked mine because I only like specific things. So this month I got kind of a freebie. I got the Melting Shower Scrub in Mango and Kiwi, and I think I feel like Joy from Joyful's Beauty just was talking about this, or maybe it was Rebecca from Painting and Stuff. One of the two was just talking about this scrub that was really nice. So I'm going to definitely try it out. And these are, this is cruelty free, which is kind of cool. And then the important thing, so the perfume I got, this is all in it French. So I'm not going to try to say it. I'm just going to show it to you. It is the Vanilla Blackberry, yep, Sud Pacifique. Is that right? Someone correct my French? This is blackberry, vanilla, jasmine, and rose. And it comes in the same situation. It has like a cardboard case on it so you don't, you know, smash it. And it seriously just smells like, honestly, it smells like a more expensive version of the Bath & Body Works body spray I used to love, but they don't make anymore. And I can't remember if Julie recommended this or if, Ashley did, from Ashley Elizabeth from her channel, one of the two, or maybe both actually, but I saw it on one of their channels and I was like, ooh, that sounds like something I would like, so I picked it up. And then it comes with an info card as well, obviously. Okay, now that we got that out of the heckin' way, we can go on. So Sephora Play, I'm not gonna lie, I totally cheated. I know what I got. But so, like every month, you get a pamphlet with information. This is the Insta Beauty bucket list, and then you get the 50 points if you go into a brick and mortar store, which I never do. And then this is supposed to be like a social media theme, so it says make it snappy because Snapchat. It's funny. Alright, so let's dump this out. Okay. So, let's start with the perfume. This is the, I never know how to say this, Miu Miu? This is the Louis Rose? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong. It's cute. It's like a pink. It's like tinted pink. Well, that smells super good. It's very strong rose scent though, so if you don't like that, you will not enjoy. But I dig it. I'm digging it. Okay. So the first thing in here is from Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 25. Could have used some broad spectrum SPF while I was on vacation. Is there a shade? This is in 06. This is really orange compared to my skin. Like, who's gonna... Oh, God. That is not a color match. I mean, maybe when I get, like, really tan. But now I'm just gonna have a weird orange patch on my skin. Yeah, okay. So that's gonna go in its box in my drawer for summer. Because there's no way I can make that happen. Also, I am going to declutter this bag because it's just the normal drawstring and I don't care about it. In case you guys are new here, I'm not impressed with those bags. I think they're annoying. The next thing in here, this is like the cutest purple packaging ever. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. It's a lot of words. Ooh, it's sealed. So fancy. Okay, let's feel how you feel. Ooh, it's like kind of brown. Brownish orange situation. All I can smell is that perfume. Doesn't smell like anything. Ew. Ooh, it feels strange, but like in a good way. Like my hand is definitely matte right there. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can see it. Like right in front of me. It's cool. Definitely gonna try that out. It'll probably be in my Mini Madness project pan. This box is super cute from Fresh. It's got like flowers all over it. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. This is from Fresh. This is the Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask with Seaweed Radiance Facial. It is a Seaweed Radiance Facial. That was not a question. Ooh, and the jar is clear so you can kind of see there's little seaweed pieces in there. Interesting. Let's smell it. Give it a little sniffy sniff. Oh. It's like yogurt. Ooh. That smells like seaweed. It just smells like grass. Wet grass. But I'll definitely give it a try. I am all for masks because, I mean, my face is always on the run. So the next thing in here is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. I can't talk today. And this is in the color SPL, which looks like the circled one. It looks like it has like a duochrome shift, which I'm 100% down for if it really has that. Let's swatch it and see. Oh, it's so tiny. These are the kind of lip gloss sizes I like because I never use lip gloss all the way. I'm so bad at it. Ooh. This looks so similar to that Hello Kitty gloss I was finishing from ColourPop that I'm almost done with. It's just like a really pretty light pink with glitter. I dig it. And then the last thing is the Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder from It Cosmetics. Oh, goodness, that was really hard to get off the card. I've heard like really good things about this. And It Cosmetics is cruelty free. Is that real? I feel like I thought they weren't. I don't know why. Oh, fuck. So that just exploded. It had shattered and now it's all over my pants and my floor. So that is cool. And my pants are dirty now. Cool. So I guess I'm going to try to repress that. I don't know. I'm pretty annoyed right now. That really made my bad day a little bit worse. But all in all, I'm excited to try this powder. I'm just pissed off that it's broken. The mask is cool. The perfume smells good. Both the primer and the lip gloss I'll finish. And the foundation or moisturizer or tinted moisturizer, whatever it technically is, from Makeup Forever. This is way too dark for me, so I'm going to put it in my drawer for summer. So that is it for my Sephora play and for my Scentbirds for the last 2 months. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I have my glasses on, but again, like, I'm so sunburned. I can't, like my eyes are swollen and like it's not a good time. So I love you guys so much. If you want to hang out with me anywhere else on social media, that's all down below. Again, I'm sorry my voice sounds like this also. I love you. I'm going to go drink some tea and cry about my powder. So I love you guys. I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye everyone.